Emotoka ezitairwe amasasi omu kyaro kya Kapapi y'okubanza omu gombora ya Kapapi omu disitulikiti ya Hoima zirimu eya Toyota Mark X namba UBR 1017L hamwe na Toyota XS namba UAK 227D ebaire neevugwa abapoliisi abarikugambwaho kuba babaire bagiire kucungura omusirikare wa UPDF omanyirwe nka Captain Rogers Karamagi.
Hariho manager wa General Akangunda akatunga information ngo amahega kagari yo mu rukwe rwokumutera amasasi so kuya yabe navuga omwe mu rubo wabyari wakimanyire ija yamugambe atomishaho kuza bakurengira ambush nibaza kutera amasasi seki yakozire motoka yanga kugivuga kuza kuri yabe naza ya chama hake yabiriri hihi nkoko ya parking emotoka mishoge genju geka ngoko ko no hunjiro mu cyaro imotoka yakisigaho yirukankise bigere.
The owner of that car is a man from police or Army Kigorovia atabaitira's home abaitira that home. They are the owner of this. They are having their cows at Bahamas. So maybe they came from there and parked at the petrol station there. But during the night, it seems as if it may be a thief, I don't know. It's the one who came and put it here.
Christopher Aine ori omuhwezi wa RDC omu district ya Hoima yashobora ngo ebyona binakakwate n'emhondano y'itaka lya square mile 5 ezatandikire 2023.
Hakijaba insecurity azanka district security committee twashaba abasirikare ngo bije bayambe polisi omukumekinga shuwa ngo abantu bagira obuteka mwanyo gutubitana kandi n'ibintu byabo tubari. So mahega twayesire tuketa mahega General Kakono ngugije gayambe polisi yitu konka kugashiraho abantu ahita kabona buri omwe yababonanza batandika kwegabira buri omwe yashaba so nawe bamuragansa ekabshatu na Addison Kola nawe bamura Rogers Mbabazi nawe bamuhereza ekabshatu aka Rodiso we bamuha 10.
The gunshots were made by a policeman. Mean why saying that if I don't shoot these tires, they will come and steal. They cannot take it without knowing. But if I shoot the tires, tomorrow we are going to get all the results without even a thief taking it.
Nashobora ngo kuhajanira itakeri kuri ahagati ya Brigadier General Peter Nabasa Kankunda, Captain Rogers Karamagi n'abandi abarukuranira itakeri n'abantu abarukwingana 2020.
Nye nabagambira ntatebye murakore abo kwa office ya president kajyangu enshonga zikwata nitakeryo mbe ninye nazikwasagara abandi bona bajyangu begame so na habura abantu bona nabagira nti murekere twikirizane amahe gare miru because abantu ground bakiriyo batemente z'abantu entezage no nabasase nderushanje bakurutemera yitaka mushati mama himwa mwizire kuma mugashogwanyu nugu abantu biragino batwara umungano bakora za road block mu ihangu na police bagize ngo tekuzayi so twareba ngo amahe gakakayo gaba part of the problem.
Niliuliza yeye kwa mambo hiyo nani naleta kwako uwezo ya kukamata mimi. Anasema uwezo alitoka kwa Brigadier Nabasa Peter, alitoka kwa Karamagi Rogers na wengine pia walikuwa ndani ya mission ile. Kwa makusudi anakamata mimi.
Aine nagira ngo enshonga zishikirwe mu na Brigadier Moses Ruchamuzi orukutwara akakiko k'enshonga z'amataka omu maka ga president.
Yesande kishatu kagera Toyota General Ruchamuzi abado ezira abantu bije yitakeri nawe nakora mu president's office kandi n'uwakure by'amataka yija Brigadier General Ruchamuzi yija Kapapi umuruhoyima kandi yahabura yagira tumbone kimara akore emishango yona eriyo mukoti ngoko DS yabireshaziremu abakoti tumuka gicho tumuka hakanise bya koti mutegereze court orders muzimplementing mwena mufollowing ebiragiro.
Twagambaho na Brigadier General Peter Nabasa Kankunda nuko kutugira ngo Captain Karamaji akaba ari manager w'ebintu bye ebiri mu itakeri.
You know, Karamaji was my manager. Obubai batakizire kuhamba itakeri. Ora rongo batwire ni bamuntracking and bamuntracking. Ati last night arika party motokaji parkingira unga machita wanoza kapapu mtawe. Some people came, they wanted to grab him and his car motoka yaje after realizing they are bad people. Kwaje bujire bamdereze mungu is being broke to muhanda. Obuyaiza kufika kuriya higuru motoka cyamye umunda. So bije bamukuratire motoka bagitera amasasi. Ate ba police bafuna kaka bakapanyisa vija kureba whether they can rescue the situation. Kwa mayakayo n'abasirikare bije babakuratire babashangaho batanka ku exchange the word finally bazana haruguto ba shooting ejo njiji ware.
Twagezaho kugamba n'amahega UPDF beitu twabasa okutunga ikigambo cyona ahabo kuba bagumana batsinko mu office zitakushana. Yitakanira tware cyaro cya Watch North, Kapap Central, Watch South, Ruga hamwe na Kiriatete. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gad asaba omorohoyima.